I was super excited to see this new product on the market. It's called a Plexi Cam and it solves two problems. If you want to use your computer as a teleprompter, the ideal location for the camera is directly behind the script using a one-way mirror. But the camera on a laptop or a desktop is always at the top edge. And when you have a video call, if you look the other person in the eye, then it looks to them like you're looking at their chin. Or you can cheat by looking directly at your camera, but then it looks right to the other person, but now you can only see them in your peripheral vision. The Plexi Cam is an acrylic accessory that allows you to bring your camera down in front of your monitor. You get to use your existing webcam, which may be better than the built-in webcam in your computer. And you get to put the camera in front of your screen. While the Plexi Cam itself doesn't block your view, I have not yet seen a clear webcam. So your webcam is going to block the view of your screen. Let's talk about using it as a teleprompter first. You can see that I've been using the Plexi Cam while making this video. I'm going to show you what it looks like using a real teleprompter and also the built-in webcam. The Plexi Cam comes in second place behind the teleprompter and ahead of the built-in webcam. So here's what it looks like when I'm using my Caddy Buddy teleprompter. My eyeline can't get much better because it uses a one-way mirror to put the camera at the exact spot where I'm reading the script. The downfall of this setup is price. It's about $700 for all the parts. If you're doing a lot of recordings where you'll read a script, that may be worth it for you. But I'm always looking for the cheapest, easiest option. And here is the Plexi Cam. You can see that my eyes aren't looking directly at the camera because my text is a little bit below. But it's better than the built-in option. And here is the built-in option. The camera is further from the text because I cannot get the text to scroll right up to the edge of the screen. Here you can see all of them next to each other on the screen so that you can compare. The same is true for making video calls. The teleprompter will give you the best look into their eyes solution. Second best is the Plexi Cam and then the built-in webcam. There is a competitor on the market. I haven't bought it yet because it's been back ordered. It's called the Center Cam. It's a webcam that hangs in front of your monitor and you can place this tiny webcam wherever you need it on your screen. The downfall of this one is that the webcam isn't such high quality and it's a bit expensive for what you get. Dell showed a concept webcam at CES in fall of 2021 where you can magnetically move the webcam wherever on your screen that you want. It's about the diameter of a quarter, so it will be a great tool. Who knows when it will be ready for production and sale. Overall, I've tried the Plexi Cam and found that it's not as easy or as functional as I had hoped. For one thing, the quarter 20 screw on the bottom can fall out when it's not connected to a webcam. I lose stuff like this all the time. But the bigger problem is that having a C920 or a Brio webcam in the middle of my screen is distracting. Getting the camera in the perfect position wasn't easy, especially on a video call. I found myself doing a lot of adjusting because I wanted the camera directly above the eyes of the person I was talking to. And the camera is about 3 inches closer to me, so I need to move back further from my computer to get the same shot. That's not a big thing, but I like being able to type on my keyboard during a Zoom call, and it's just a bit uncomfortable. And I'm sure that you are seeing that my eyeline isn't perfect. You can tell that I'm reading, unlike when I'm using my real teleprompter, which is so much more convincing. I really wanted this to work, but I'm still recommending the more expensive Caddy Buddy solution. But if your budget is in the less than $100 range, this could be the solution that you're looking for. For my clients, they're using Zoom on a daily basis, and spending the extra $500 is totally worth it.